Spectacular, Sel Beyonce and DJ Names. 3 to 6 p.m. on the Gagasi Fast Lane.
I love it! I absolutely love it, man!
Sykes, Unjani, buff. Ah, man, it's so amazing. So great to have you in the studio. We've been waiting for this opportunity for a while now.
Talking about
ekhaya, kahle ekhaya kuphi bafu?
ekhaya kusempendle abazali bami bobabili badabuka endaweni ekuthiwa isempendle
Yeah.
Kodwa ukukhula kwami ke ngikhulela eMaritzburg isikhathi esiningi kodwa mase ngikhula ke nami sengizithathela inqumo ngathi isinqumo sokuza la eThekwini
And ithakazelo zasekhaya?
uncamalala maphuma ephethe uphethe inyama ngapha namasingapha ulugaji kwamatomela
Washa.
Nazo-ke insizwe sikhulumile ngempela. Shout out to you, bro. The Zulu Michael Jackson in the place to be. We like going back in time, and I think the first question I'd actually like to hear from you is to give you a chance to pick up somebody in your history. And that's the first person to tell you ukuthi no man, ngathi une-talent wena uthi nje intwana ngigqugquzela ukuthi iye la ngathi ifuna ukuya khona.
Ngingathi shout out to umuntu owangifundisa ukubamba ikhodi uMalume Themkosi wakaZondi. He's the first guy who had the patience ukuthi ngempela angifundise because babe khona babengifundisa before kwangangeni. So I would say shout out to Malume Themkosi.
Let's give him this.
And then we thola kanjani usui a hit maker, you part of these big songs, because I mean from Empendle angiboni ukuthi some opportunities akhona kangako ngaleyo ndlela. Ungena kanjani into this music scene?
Njoba kade ngichazile ukuthi as much as umndeni wami udabuka empendle kodwa mina ngikholele eMaritzburg. Inki esikoleni ekade ngifunda kusona iseNicholas abekhona amathuba kahle because bekukhona amalokhu njani bekukhona ama instrument of all sorts.
Oh yeah.
So bengwadlala kakhulu ngispend isikhathi esiningi kakhulu nawo ama instrument marimba, xylophone, konke kwakukhona penny whistle. So ngicabanga ukuthi ukuhlala kule environment kungifundisile kakhulu izinto eziningi ngomusic. Music was there for my grabs.
When Anospe could have started a band together. St. Nicholas. Green Machine.
What did Glenwood Boys, darling?
Playing the marimba and the penny.
I play the trombone, Nate.
While I was busy beating the drum.
I play the flugelhorn. I play the trumpet. Don't mess with me.
Oh, sweet. Look at you.
Sykes, tell us, up to this point in the music industry, what's been the most exciting thing for you?
Recognition for the first time.
Yeah,
I feel like lokho kwangikhombisa ukuthi siqalile ngendlela yami because in my head indlela yami kade yaqala I had pictured everything.
Wow.
I was even rehearsing ama interview kanje ukuthi mabe ngangibuza ukuthi ngingaphendula ngithi.
Really?
So yeah,
that is like, beautiful.
Ngidaydream kanjalo mina most of the time. Amazing. Especially in high school. So recognition abantu sebeqala ukuthi babone and show you ngempela gratitude for talent onalo and like bakhombisa ukuthi by understand into zami ukuyenza. I think for me the first time it happened was the most exciting time.
Nice.
Dope indeed. So like just by listening to lyrics akho, I can see ukuthi umuntu ojulile man, very deep in terms of the way that you think, right?
Yes.
So I want to ask you this question. What do you understand about the concept of selling your soul in the music industry?
Concept of selling your soul.
And khona bani obabukayo babona ukuthi yabona lo this one sold their soul, this one sold out.
I think njobuthi nje selling the concept of selling your soul, you just for some reason something new just popped into my head.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ukuthi like maybe music ukwenza music noma ukuthi abantu bawo receive kanjani music wakho, maybe it depend ekutheni udayise kahle kangakanani soul yakho into the craft. As much as mhlawumbe you didn't mean it like that. So I think you've just opened a new picture kumina. I don't know if you ukuthi music mhlawumbe ukuthi good kangakanani depend ekutheni how well did you sell your soul into the craft. I don't know.
I get what she's saying. I get what he's saying also.
Yeah.
So it's okay.
We'll get to the next question. Get yourself Beyonce in a sec. We're hanging out with the Sykes right here on the Fast Lane, man. Let's go to one of your songs right now. Sykes Sisters, MK Productions, Awugwazi. That's a dope jam. And you just started smiling as you thought about it.
Yeah.
Tell us some more about it.
It's coming on 5 December. I've been speaking about it non-stop on my socials. It's my first ever drop independent. And I decided to do it with my sisters.
So can we say, Guti, this is like a worldwide first play?
Yeah.
Worldwide first play?
Yeah, it's only ever played on my TikTok.
If I slay Bafethu yaqhubeka nje ungaphambili. Othusizwe.
Spectacular. Self-Beyonce and DJ Names. 3 to 6 p.m. on the Gagasi Fast Lane.
Beyonce and DJ Naves, and why not, man? Like, what a good time. So, Bethu Sykes, you're a multi-platinum selling songwriter, producer. Do you feel, Guti, with all of those accolades, the industry gives you the recognition and respect? Right on just no, man. Aningboni, man. Aningboni. Uthini wena above?
I think music, like your relationship you have no music is very personal.
Yeah.
So angilindo omunye umuntu ukuthi azangitshela ukuthi ngi-enjoy kangakanani ukuyenza into engiyithandayo.
Sure.
So I think kuyibonus nje umuntu mawusuze bekuvume umgaqweni imfethu eyishaya into yakho yabo. But akuyona into engiyithatha ngifaka ekhanda because I feel like semningi nomsebenzi kusamele.
Nice one,
Love
man.
it. Love it.
Recently usanda ukuvashela any podcast ndawana thizeni. You spoke about how someone's heart got broken ndawana thizeni because you guys have been together for a very long time.
Yeah.
Tell us about that, man. Nokuyisola kwakho. You watch what why sola but what happened?
Sykes?
Imali kuningi engizisola ngakho emhlabeni. Konje kuphi engayisola ngakho kuleya podcast.
We're talking about
relationship.
Yes.
Oh yes, bafethu high relationship yami yase university leyo sengaba right. Sengaba right.
How long were you guys together?
We were together for 4 years.
That is a long time.
That is a degree.
From my first to my last year.
Abuyele move.
I'm a love bad.
I ngithanda ukufocus emsebenzini. Mantombazana ahethane.
And yes.
Tell me about your collaborations. How do you decide on Ingoma and the people that you collaborate on?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I usually work with more or less the same people, man. Kade ngisela iThekwini isikhathi eside ngihlala khona full time. Bengisebenza no skills udlala Thukuzeni, uGoldmax, just circle nje. Funky Cula, you know. Mangifika eGoli, nginabangani bami ngisebenza nabo khona kunama Khulman uKabza. I'm usually at Kabza's place.
Nice.
Or Kelvin Momo. Or mhlawumbe ngihleli noPhori or ngihleli nomngane wami uNkosazana. So those I usually work nabantu engizothini engiclose nabo nangokobudlelwane nje yabo yilabo bantu engijwayele ukusebenza nabo. And then I wouldn't say I'm too fussy on working with new people ukuba ukuthi nje into yakho kufanele imeshe nami ngithandayo. So
vibe, ne?
Vibe, yeah.
In 30 seconds maximum, please tell me the story of 2 songs, how they came about. One, Iplan, ASB Mama.
Iplani how many seconds?
2. 30, let's go.
Okay. Iplani ngangifelwa imoto ngihlushwa imoto endleleni I drive ngova script ngaze ngafika Thukuzini mangifika Thukuzini ngabatshela nge love story yami bangayingena leyo wathi Ace angifocus ekutheni ngibhale ingoma ezo channel energy yami le ebhlungu njengamanje kwaphuma iplani imama uskills wekade ngitshelile ukuthi uze uGoli uze Nxumalo ukhona naye so asenzeni ingoma so we went sashaya studio session so about 3 then kwaphuma mama ukhona no label the great who's actually not mentioned on the song but he played a huge role.
Song of the year, Ayakov quickly.
Mama. Okay, no six wheel bafo. Mina ngisakhala nga that first verse of the original Iplan. Hey. Where do we find you on the socials?
Sykes_SA konke ama socials ngikhona kakhulu ku Instagram ngikhona na ku TikTok Facebook ngikhona as Sykes RSA. Noma mangangithola vele ubhala the Zulu Michael Jackson.
Okay, shout out to you. Sykes right here in the fast lane. Thank you, Bafo.